Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into the 8 most common muscle building mistakes you might be making. We'll empower you with scientific knowledge and practical advice to maximize your gains and avoid these pitfalls. The muscle building process isn't just about the work you put in at the gym, it's equally about how you fuel your body. Without the right nutrients, your muscles can't effectively repair, recover, and grow. Protein is a key player in muscle growth. As indicated by the International Society of Sports Nutrition, a protein intake between 1.4 and 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight daily can support muscle protein synthesis, the process that leads to muscle growth. Quality sources include lean meats, dairy, eggs, and plant-based alternatives like lentils and quinoa. However, protein isn't the only nutritional consideration. Complex carbohydrates from foods like whole grains and vegetables provide the energy necessary for challenging workouts. According to a study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, carbs replenish muscle glycogen stores, helping to sustain your energy and performance levels during training. Let's not forget fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like fish, walnuts, and chia seeds. Research in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition suggests these fats enhance muscle recovery and growth. In addition to these macronutrients, a range of vitamins and minerals such as iron, vitamin D, and magnesium play crucial roles in energy production and muscle function. So, a balanced, nutrient-rich diet is key for muscle building. Your diet is the foundation of your fitness journey, so make sure it's solid. The warm-up may seem like a preliminary or optional part of your workout, but it's actually crucial to your muscle building journey. When you jump right into heavy lifting without a proper warm-up, you're not priming your muscles for the work ahead, which can not only reduce your performance but also increase the risk of injury. Research from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research shows that a warm-up increases muscle temperature, blood flow, and oxygen delivery, which in turn improves muscle contractility and reduces injury risk. The study suggests a warm-up should include both general components, like light cardio to elevate the heart rate, and specific exercises that target the muscles you'll be working in your session. Another aspect of warming up is dynamic stretching, which involves active movements to stretch your muscles and increase your range of motion. A study from the Clinical Journal of Sport Medicine indicates that dynamic stretching can enhance power and improve overall athletic performance. Don't view the warm-up as an optional add-on. Consider it as an integral part of your muscle building routine. Your body and your gains will thank you. When you're determined to build muscle, it might seem logical to push harder, work longer, and train more frequently. However, the science says otherwise. Overtraining is a real phenomenon, and it can actually hinder your muscle building efforts. A study from the Journal of Applied Physiology found that excessive training can lead to diminished strength and performance due to an imbalance between training stress and recovery time. This imbalance causes your body to remain in a state of continual breakdown, which inhibits the muscle repair and growth process. What's more, a review in Sports Medicine highlighted that overtraining can lead to systemic inflammation, hormonal disruptions, and weakened immunity, which can also stall muscle growth and impact overall health. There's a fine line between challenging yourself and overdoing it. You have to give your body the chance to recover and adapt to the physical stress of training. So, remember to listen to your body, maintain a balanced training schedule, and ensure you're allowing for adequate rest and recovery. After all, muscle growth actually happens during rest, not during the workout itself. Overtraining doesn't speed up progress, it sets you back. So train smart, not just hard. Consistency is often the key to success in many areas of life, and it's no different when it comes to building muscle. Irregular workout schedules can lead to inconsistent muscle development and hindered progress. Research published in the Journal of Physiology showed that inconsistent training reduces the activation of mTOR signaling, which plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis and ultimately muscle growth. On the flip side, consistency in training enhances this signaling, leading to more effective muscle growth over time. Furthermore, a study from the University of New Hampshire revealed that consistency in resistance training can lead to adaptations in neuromuscular efficiency. This means that consistent training can help your muscles work together more effectively, leading to improved strength and muscle building over time. Inconsistency can also impact your motivation and mindset. Having a regular workout schedule not only maintains physiological progress but also helps inculcate discipline, build momentum, and establish workout routines as a sustainable lifestyle habit. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are muscles. It takes time, effort, and, above all, consistency to achieve lasting muscle growth. Keep showing up, maintain your routine, and the results will follow. Often underestimated, rest and recovery are pivotal to muscle growth. During sleep, the body enters an anabolic state where it repairs and builds new muscle fibers, making it a prime time for muscle growth. A study published in the Journal of Sleep Research found a strong correlation between sleep quality, sleep duration, and muscle recovery. Adequate sleep boosts the production of growth hormone and testosterone, two essential hormones for muscle growth. Depriving yourself of restful sleep can hinder these processes, impeding muscle recovery and growth. The American Academy of Sleep Medicine recommends adults aim for 7 or more hours of sleep per night. And it's not just about quantity, quality matters too. Deep sleep stages are crucial for the recovery and regeneration of the body. Also, rest days in your workout schedule shouldn't be overlooked. The Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research suggests taking a rest day every 48 to 72 hours to allow for optimal muscle repair and growth. You're not slacking off by prioritizing sleep and rest days, you're investing in your muscle growth. Make rest a non-negotiable part of your routine for sustained muscle development. When it comes to weightlifting and resistance training, form is absolutely crucial. Proper exercise form ensures that you're effectively engaging the target muscles and maximizing your gains, while also minimizing the risk of injuries. The Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research indicates that incorrect form, such as using momentum to lift, not maintaining control of the weights, or not fully extending and contracting the muscles, can lead to inefficient workouts and reduce the stimulation of the muscle fibers necessary for growth. For instance, in a bench press, if you're not lowering the barbell all the way to your chest and fully extending your arms at the top of the lift, you're not achieving the full range of motion necessary to effectively engage and develop your pectoral muscles. A research article in Sports Medicine highlights that full range of motion exercises lead to greater muscle hypertrophy and strength gains compared to partial range movements. Additionally, a study in the Clinical Biomechanics Journal revealed that improper form can increase the stress on joints and ligaments, leading to acute injuries and chronic issues over time. Remember, quality trumps quantity. It's not about how much weight you can lift, but how well you can lift it. Always prioritize form over ego for safe and effective muscle building. Many people on a muscle building journey tend to focus exclusively on resistance training. While resistance training is essential for muscle hypertrophy, it's not the only type of exercise that should be part of your routine. A comprehensive fitness program should also include cardio and flexibility training. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that incorporating cardiovascular training can actually enhance muscle growth by improving nutrient delivery and waste product removal from the muscles. Regular cardio can also support heart health and boost endurance, aiding your overall performance in resistance training. Flexibility training is another often overlooked aspect of a balanced fitness regimen. According to research from the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy, flexibility exercises can improve joint range of motion, enhance muscle function, and reduce the risk of training-related injuries. A balanced approach to training can also help prevent overuse injuries and maintain overall health. The American College of Sports Medicine recommends that adults should engage in flexibility exercises at least 2 days a week and moderate intensity cardio for a minimum of 150 minutes per week, alongside resistance training. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A balanced training program can support muscle growth and contribute to overall physical health and well-being. Hydration plays a key role in muscle building, yet it's often overlooked. Water comprises about 60% of your body and is involved in nearly every bodily function, including those related to muscle development. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, even mild dehydration can impact physical performance, muscle recovery, and protein synthesis, all essential components of muscle building. Furthermore, water aids in nutrient transport within the body. It helps deliver the nutrients from your diet to your muscles, supporting growth and repair. A study in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that staying well hydrated enhances the digestion and absorption of proteins, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. Hydration also plays a role in maintaining joint health. The cartilage in joints is made up largely of water, and keeping it hydrated reduces friction and wear, potentially preventing injuries that could halt your muscle building progress. The National Academy of Medicine recommends a daily water intake of 3.7 liters for men and 2.7 liters for women. This includes total water from all beverages and foods. So make sure to keep your water bottle handy during your workouts and throughout the day. Remember, proper hydration is a simple but crucial component of effective muscle building. Don't let dehydration derail your progress. Thanks for watching. We hope you now feel equipped to avoid these common muscle building mistakes and optimize your journey. Remember, building muscle is about smart, consistent work, balanced nutrition, rest, and proper form. Keep going, you've got this.